Happily Hooked. So today we have a new yarn winder. This one is a little bit more budget friendly, so I haven't even opened it yet. I don't know quite what it looks like. This one is from Craft Destiny, so we will test this one out, and I am super excited to see how it works. Hi friends, real quick, if you want to learn how to get these amazing ergonomic hooks in this super cute yarn bag, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, so this is our new yarn winder that we're going to test out. This is Craft Destiny yarn winder. It is a little bit cheaper. I'll have all the information in the description below for you guys on that. Yeah, so it's a new yarn winder. It's not a whole lot. I mean, they have directions on the side of the box, so let's... Oh, this comes with a ton of stuff. Okay, so welcome to the universe of Craft Destiny. Oh, it comes with this cute little, this did not say that it came in my bag. So it's got little stitch counters, stoppers to go on the ends of your knitting needles, tape measure, knitting gauges, stitch markers. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see, quick assembly guide. All right, so let's take all the pieces out. Rotate the arm and force it through the bump as shown to lock in. All right, well that doesn't stay very locked. We'll test it though. Align bobbin in its base and turn counterclockwise. All right, well that's in there. That's all right. So we're gonna move the camera. And we're just gonna tighten. It has this like little clamp right here, or this little like the washer and nut, wing nut. So we're gonna tighten that up. Tighten it to the side of the table. All right, so that looks like it's in there. Alright, so we're going to wind up this Bernat baby cotton. I use this a lot in a lot of my stitch tutorials. Let's see if I can get that. Alright, it looks like that's about as good as it's going to get. So we will wind it through there and slide it in there. Okay, so it does have a little bit of like tension on it. It's a little harder to wind. It's not quite smooth, but it's not super duper loud. So that's pretty good. Okay, so this
size cake. This is 4.2 ounces, so this is quite a bit less than 4.2 ounces because I have used it quite a bit. So I just pull the yarn up so I don't lose my tail. But it did wind really pretty. So I feel like that will be good. And then I just pulled the tail out. But yeah, so I mean, I don't feel like it would be able to wind a whole lot heavier than maybe 4 ounces of yarn. It might not be strong enough for that or wide enough because like how close it is to the base itself. I feel like it would hit if it went too far over. But I mean, for just a basic yarn winder, this is not bad. It's got tension on it, so it doesn't just like willy-nilly fly around. And this, even though I was skeptical because it didn't like lock into place, it stayed put and it's secure on the table. So for me, I vote yes. If you're looking for a cheaper yarn winder, you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on it, I would highly recommend this one. I'm going to use it for a while just to see what I think about it later on. But yeah, so all the information for this is in the description below. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!